Hey guys, Chris McPhail here from Impact Off-Road Group again. Today we thought we'd show you the variation with some of our lift kits. With the later model Daihatsu, it does give us the option to be able to run 3 different setups. So you can either run it obviously completely standard with nothing, we can set it up with our 40mm lift kit, or we can go the whole hog and fit it with our 80mm lift kit. Firstly, I'll show you the completely standard one. With the completely standard one, obviously we've done nothing to it. So when you look underneath, the easiest way to pick if it's got a lift kit is if you've got nothing on top of the strut. The strut just bolts straight to the body of the truck. That's exactly how it comes from the factory. With our 40mm lift kit, it's a very simple alteration. So this one here is our demonstrator, so obviously it's set up with all the gear. When it comes to the lift kit, this particular one has an aluminium packer that goes between the top of the strut and goes onto the body. And that gives you a 40mm lift, which obviously allows you to run the slightly wider and slightly taller tyres on it. If you're going whole hog and you're wanting to run the 80mm lift kit, it's completely different. With the 80mm lift kit, we're still running the factory strut, but what we do is we actually change it and run a completely different top hat and then fit the old style lift kits, which are our 40mm Teflon packers, and it's a double lift kit. So you're getting a top hat, 2 lift kits, and that obviously gives you the 80mm lift. Along with that, there is a lot of suspension modifications that we do have to do, but we can obviously explain that if that's the way that you want to go. This way, it allows you to run the taller tyres, so we can run up to a 26-inch tyre depending on the model and the brand of the tyre. Outside of that, if you're wanting any other gear, make sure you jump on, check out all our socials. We're on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, you name it. Anything you need, hit us up and we can get you sorted.